Welcome to our fifth video. So for today's lesson, we will be discussing what is a class constructor. As mentioned in our previous learnings, so we defined that a class contains a constructor that invokes an object or create an object from the class blueprint. A constructor can be one, or a class can contain one or many constructors. But those constructors should be in a different type, different parameter. So again, a constructor as well can be with argument or no argument. So I'll give you an example of a constructor. So again, we will be using the same class, which is dog, and one of the rule in creating a constructor that a constructor should be the same name of the class. So here we have two constructor named dog, and then the other one no argument, and then with argument. So here we have a constructor with argument with three arguments A, B, and C with a data type string. And then the other one is a constructor without an argument. So if we run a code to print or display the values inside, all you have to do is to create a print line that displays the value or create an output. This should be color. This for the color, and then the date of birth. So the other constructor consists of variables, which is puppy1, black, and then the date of birth. So calling the constructor inside the main method, all you have to do is to create an object. Again, in creating an object, it is defined that we have two constructors. A constructor with a return value, and then a constructor without a return value. By creating an object, name it as dog, write the word dog, and then the new object name. For example, puppy1 is equals to new dog. And then, from this first constructor, we will call the same constructor or these two constructor. So as defined, we have a parameter of string, three strings, 2 and then 3. Name it as bantay, brown, and then the other one is the date of birth, 02/02/2000. So the parameter of this constructor should be the same parameter of this dog constructor inside the class. So 1 for the date of birth, 2 for the string B or for the color, and then the first one is for the name. 1, 2, and then 3. So calling the other constructor, which is also named as dog, all you have to do is again call the class name. We'll name it differently. So puppy2 is equals to new dog. And here, we'll display the exact text. So from here, we will just copy and then paste the system.out in here as well to display the messages inside this constructor without a return value. So running this program, we will have some space, a separator, Running this program would provide an output of this. So bantay, brown, and then the date of birth. The other one is a constructor with no argument, which displays as well as the value indicated in the constructor.